joining me for another worksheet. Again, remember the link below is to print out the worksheet so we could do it together. If not, you could just watch. So Sharky Shark told me to check out this website called climatekids.nasa.gov. And today I learned about the weather. Weather is local and temporary. On our own Earth, we cannot control weather by turning up a thermostat up to make it warmer or down to make it cooler. The best we can do is try to predict the weather. Weather scientists called meteorologists try to foresee what's going to happen next. Weather happens at a particular time and place. Rain, snow, wind, hurricane, tornadoes, these are all weather events. Isn't that fun? Okay, now on to our worksheet. First, we're going to pick our favorite color and write our names. Remember, there's no rush. This is not a race. Now that we are done, let's read the instructions. Purple, see, what do you see? I see a yellow cat staring at me. Let's read it again. Purple, see, what do you see? I see a yellow cat staring at me. Okay, let's see what we're going to color the letter C. Purple, see, what do you see? That's right, purple. Now everyone get your purple crayon. Great job! Purple C. We did the purple C. Purple C, what do you see? I see a yellow cat staring at me. I see a yellow cat. What do we color the cat? That's right, yellow. Great job! Let's get our yellow crayon. Color the nose pink along with the paws and the inside of the ears. What color did you choose? Let's read the fun fact. Cats always land on their feet. That's great. Now that we're done with the worksheet, this is my favorite part. Let's color the background. Remember, anything you like. Today, I'm going to draw different colors and stripes. What are you going to do? I can't wait to see it. Backgrounds. But do you know what I love the most? Is that you dinos always join me every week to learn more and more. Can't wait to see you next Monday. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!